Let's talk about tires. Saved a good few grand by getting them in Mississippi. You want to protect them from the sunlight, from the UV rays. Let's talk about tires. Some of you guys might know that about 7 months ago, not quite 7 months, but almost, we bought new tires for our rig. We shopped around for them, and we saved a lot of money. Check out the video. You're going to see the what we went through getting the tires on and whatnot. And then we'll talk a little bit about tires at the end. All right, heading out to go get some new tires. We waded through all this fog, so
folks are getting ready for that, and
finally got here.
Celebrations going on. So
Vinny gonna get him some new shoes.
I've got a few. I haven't done it all yet, but it looks like it always begins a countdown at noon, or countdown to noon at Lynn Meadows.
Well, here she is. The guys are already getting on her. They said the back will take them about an hour. So, we'll see. The new ones. So here we are, getting our tires changed. We got the puppies with us. Sounds like it's not going to take as long as we initially thought. They said the back ones, they're hoping to have the back 6 tires finished in about an hour and 10 minutes. So
I think we'd be able to pick it up until what, after 2 maybe, or
yeah, we thought it would be a half a day. So we're hoping we're going to be out of here in 2 hours.
Woohoo! Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. Back, parked. Vinny's got some brand new dancing shoes on. So, new tires, start out the new year. Pretty happy with the process. About 2 hours to get all 8 tires changed, balanced, the whole 9 yards. So win-win all the way around. We thought it was going to take longer. Final cost was $5,441, which, you know, when we were in Texas, they quoted us almost $9,000. I mean, I don't know what the heck they were smoking, but $5,400, $5,441, not too bad. Take it any day. Okay, so you saw the video. You saw us get new tires. Saw how much they cost, $5,400. Like I said, saved a good few grand by getting them in Mississippi. So that was well worth it. Now we got new tires. So what do we do to take care of them? Well, the most important thing you can do is to make sure that your tires are properly inflated. Another thing is, as you can see here, make sure you got some kind of a cover on them. See how we got these covers? These things help keep the UV rays off of your tires. UV can prematurely age your tires, and so, you know, as much as these things cost, you want to prolong the life of your tires as much as possible. So get you some covers, put those on there if you're going to be staying any prolonged amount of time. You know, they're not that expensive. In comparison to the tires, it's well worth the effort and the money to try and protect them. A good way to make sure you have the right inflation in your tires is to install a tire pressure monitoring system. A tire pressure monitoring system basically is, you've got these little sending units on the end of your valve stems, and they send a signal to a digital readout that can tell you, what the pressure in your tires is. The digital monitor mounts right on your dash, and while you're driving, you can just peek over there and see the air pressure in all your tires. Get your rig weighed. Find out how much is it weighed loaded. Make sure you got the right air pressure in them, in your tires. Get a tire pressure monitoring system. All these little things is going to help you in the long run.